welcome back to another video. So yeah, back out in the woods. Miserable day, so everything's absolutely saturated, but I'm going to make the most of it. So I'm just by this little stream, got this nice little spot. Everywhere's really boggy, but it should be okay. So tarp up this tree, that one, straight down there, bit of a fire, spot on. So first things first, I've got to warm up a bit, I'm freezing. Oh, leg off. There we go, let's get set up, guys. That's me all set up. I've not got my bed and that out yet, I'm not worried about that just yet, so. But I'm absolutely freezing, I have to stick another jumper on. Should have brought my wool jacket really, but I don't think it'd be this cold. But I need something to warm me up. So one of my good mates, Daly, been making some homemade plum rum, so I think that's going to do the job. Oh, dear. Here we go. Have a little shot of that, shall we? Oh, yeah, it's strong. Really taste the plums. Oh, that warmed the old inside, so I'll tell you. Cheers for that, Daly. Yeah, so I'm just going to chill out for a bit now, and I'm going to start looking for some wood. There's so much dead ash laying about, but it's just so wet. But I don't need much, just enough for a little fire, so yeah. So for dinner tonight I'm doing pasta and a bit of tomato sauce and a little bit of venison. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Bone dry. That's the good stuff right there. In this firewood for tonight, just enough for me food and that really. About 6 logs, plenty. Just try and find some nice dry sticks somewhere now. Whew. Just knacking me out cutting that wood. Oh dear. about 20 metres away from my tarp. If you can see it, blends in so well. Such a good tarp that is. Shame about my bag. I just didn't want to be bringing my 100 litre bag in. It's such a beast. Oh. But yeah, nice little spot this. Just got myself some nice dry twigs. It took me about half hour to find some, but I'm ready for a fire now. Happy with that. I thought I was going to really struggle finding some wood, but got some. Right, let's head back over to camp. Yeah, can't believe how bone dry this ash is. Bark's soaking wet, but I'm going to chop it up, that'll just come off anyway, that'll be spot on. Just enough there for a fire, cook my food. Yeah, I'm getting hungry now. Time's getting on, I think it's about 3:30. So another half hour or so. I think it'll be far off dark. I think it's going to touch around 0 degrees tonight with a bit of rain. I've not done a rain camp in bloody ages. I've not even brought my waterproof jacket or anything. Chucked everything in the bag, off out in the camp. Lovely job. Not far off dark now, so ain't gonna be far off fire. I'll get starving. It's about 4:30 as well. It's usually pitch black by now, but it's still so light. Oh, windy as well. Bed set up, so I've got my air mat and I've just put a wool blanket on top of the air mat, my Rab 900 sleeping bag, my trusty pillow and my Gore-Tex bivvy bag. That should be alright for tonight. I didn't bring no roll mat today, so I thought I've got a bit of a ground sheet and I'll bring my wool blanket, so I should be toasty in here anyway. Yeah, nice. Right then, let's get that fire going. Oh, right then. I'm really struggling to get that fire going, you know. Oh. That ash takes some burning, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm just waiting for that to burn down. Some bed of coals now. Happy days, I'll get some food on. Of course, chucking out some meat now. Long time ago since I've had a bit of grub, so I'm really ready for it, you know. Right, let's get our pasta on. I reckon that. Nice bits of venison. What do you reckon of that then? Nice big chunks of venison in there. Pasta at the bottom. Peppers, mushrooms, Italian herbs, garlic, onions. Yeah, right, let's give it the old taster. That is absolutely delicious. Oh, so much flavour from that venison. That is really nice. Cheers everyone. Oh, one more thing. Home outsider, berries and cherries. Oh, that's a good combination. Cider, a bit of pasta and tomato sauce and venison. Right guys, I'm going to smash this and I'll catch you in a bit. I'm just going to sink a quick hot chocolate and get in bed, I think. Galaxy, of course. Yes. Fire's nearly out now. I'll just put some more water on to boil so I can put it in my bottle and put it in the bottom of the sleeping bag in it to keep the toes nice and warm. Oh, that's decent. Oh, it can't be a hot drink. Right, I'll catch you when I'm in my bag. See you in a bit. Righty-ho then guys, that's me tucked up in bed now, fire's out, everything's been all packed away. Yeah, catch you in the morning. Oh, morning. Oh, slept really well last night. Yeah, really well. It's absolutely chucking it down now. I don't know if you can hear it on the tarp. But yeah, I've got some breakfast with me, but everything's just soaking wet. I'm not even going to bother trying to get a fire going. Should have bought my little burner really, but yeah. So I think I'm going to pack up and just get out of it. Get home, have a nice cup of tea then. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. And there we go, all packed away, all cleared up, left it as I found it, no rubbish anywhere, spot on. Right then, yeah, fantastic camp this one. Shame about the weather, but what can you do, eh? Nice to come back here when it's freezing cold. Come back here soon, I think. Right then, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. I'll see you later. Sorry guys,